In this video I'm going to take you through task 1, which is search the internet of your ICT test. We use Pearson's as our awarding body. The examples that I'm going to go through with you today are available on their website, so qualifications.pearson.com, and then if you navigate to our qualifications, functional skills, you can then find ICT, and in the course materials and exam materials you will find the question papers and the data files that you need to follow along with these tasks. The task 1 is very similar if you're doing level 1 or level 2. The only difference at level 2 really is that you're asked for a bit more information. So I'm going to take you through an example of both. So we'll start with the level 1. So you're always asked to open the responses form. This is always the first task on your test. You will have your paper, your question paper, available, which will be in paper format on your desk. And you're following the instructions, so it quite clearly says open the responses form. Enter your name, candidate number and centre number at the top. This will all be on a piece of paper that you'll be given during your test, so you will have all that information there. We're then asked to use an internet search engine to find the number of calories in 100 grams of strawberries. An internet search engine is, for example, Google or Bing or Yahoo. You can use whichever one you like. I'm going to stick to Google. So we want to use keywords. So you don't want to type the whole question out. And there we've clearly got our answer. So we're now going to print screen this page. When you print screen, you must make sure that what you have typed in is in view so that they can see that. So we're going to print screen. If you don't know which print screen button is, it's the button that says PRTSC just to the left of delete. So we're going to press that. We're going to go to our responses form and we're going to paste our screenshot here where it asks for it. So right click and paste. We're then asked for the number of calories in 100 grams of strawberries, which we now know is 33. So we can just type 33 in. It is suggested that you copy and paste this information over. This is fairly simple, so you shouldn't get this wrong. But if you're typing in dates and you might put them in the numbers in the wrong order, then it's worth copying and pasting over instead. Then we need the website address of where we've got this information. Now, obviously on this one we have the information on the screen. However, we cannot use Google as our website address because this is our search engine, not our website address. So we actually need to find a website to go into and find our information. Interestingly, this one is slightly different, but in the marking criteria you are given a margin of error here. So the fact that this says 32 is fine. You can change your answer to 32 or leave it as 33. But we're going to copy and paste this in. So this is our website address. So right click, copy, right click, paste. And that is all there is to this task. Now, as you'll scroll down on this page, you'll find that there is section B. This is for use later. You'll clearly find in your question that it says resave responses for use in section B. So you don't do that now, you don't do that until you're told to in your actual test paper. So we would now save this document into our named file, and we would reopen this document later from our named file so that we can complete the bottom bit when we get to it. So that's a level 1 example. With the level 2, we're doing similar, so it's still a responses form. This time we're searching for an image. This bit would be the same if you were doing this for level 1. With the image, you're just looking at a slight difference. Always check your spelling. That because we're looking for a image this time, we need to be on the Images tab. So we are going to print screen this screen. And again, our screenshot goes at the top, not inside the table. And then we're asked for a single image of a windsurfer. Now this has to be a single image, not a screenshot. So we will go back to this, and we need to use for both types of examples, so whether you be getting an image or a piece of information, you need to use trusted websites. So Wikipedia is not classed as a trusted website because anyone can make changes to it. So go for something that would be unlikely to have the information wrong. So things like newspapers or the actual website if it's a place that you're searching for. So we will just go for windsurf.co.uk because that looks reliable, and we're going to click that image. Now the easiest thing is just to visit the page that this is on, and that prevents you getting the web address wrong. So we would then right click and copy this image from here, and paste it into here. That's difficult to copy. There we go. You don't need the image to be massive. Resize it from the corner so that you're not making physical changes to the image. And then the website address is here. So we're going to copy and paste that into here. Then, as I said earlier, the main difference between level 1 and level 2 is you're always asked for some more information. So there's more information here that you would go on and search for, but you don't need to show the evidence of that. So you don't need screenshots. You just need to Google those answers. And that's all there is. Same as level 1, you would now resave this document for use later. And that's task 1 complete. You get 15 minutes in the test to complete this task, and then the internet is turned off because you're not allowed access to it for the rest of the test.